Pandas dataframe boolean mask on multiple columns. I have a dataframe, df, containing several columns with an actual measure and corresponding number of columns, a, b, with an uncertainty, db, for each of these columns. I apply a function to find values in the measurement columns that are valid according to my definition. This will return a Boolean array. I would like to use this array to select rows in dataframe for which the condition is true within a single column, for example A, row 1 to 3, and also find rows where the condition is true for all the input columns, for example row 1 and 2. Is there an efficient way to do this with Pandas?
You can use the results of your apply statement to Boolean index select from the original data frame, which returns your Boolean array above. Now, you can use this array to select rows from your original data frame as follows. Select where A is true. Select where either A or B are true. Select where all the columns true.
Using the underlying array data, a vectorized approach would be like so. Sample run. To extract out the valid ones by setting the invalid ones as nans, we could use np.where. Also, we could get the rows with all matches with all reduction along each row.
If you want to use your Pandas dataframe,